Mistplay verification usually fails when the app can't confirm your device identity, your internet connection is unstable during sign-up, or your account details don't match what Mistplay expects for security checks. By the end of this, you'll know how to fix verification errors, get your account approved, and stop the failed verification loop when trying to log in or redeem rewards. First thing to check is your internet connection. Mistplay verification relies on a stable connection to confirm your account in real time. If your Wi-Fi keeps switching or your mobile data is weak, the verification request can fail halfway through. Switch to a stable network, turn airplane mode on and off, then try again. Next, check your login method. If you're signing in with Google, Apple, or Facebook, make sure you're using the same account you originally registered with. A different login method can trigger a verification failure because the system treats it as a new or unrecognized device. Now look at your device settings. Mistplay uses device-based verification to prevent duplicate accounts. If you recently reset your phone, changed your SIM card, or are using a VPN, the app may block verification. Turn off any VPN or proxy, then retry the login process. Another common issue is outdated app data. If Mistplay hasn't been updated, or if cache data is corrupted, verification can fail repeatedly. Go to the App Store or Google Play and update Mistplay first. After that, restart your phone to reset background services before trying again. If you're still stuck, clear the app cache. On Android, go into Settings, open Mistplay, and clear cache. If that doesn't work, clear storage and log back in. On iPhone, uninstalling and reinstalling the app performs the same reset and removes broken login data. Also check if your account has been flagged. Mistplay may block verification if it detects unusual activity like multiple logins, emulator use, or repeated, failed attempts. If everything else looks correct but verification still fails, this could be the reason. If nothing works, the final step is contacting Mistplay support through the app. Include your email, device model, and a screenshot of the error so they can check your account status and manually restore access if needed. Most verification failures come down to unstable connections, wrong login methods, or outdated app data blocking the authentication process. Use a stable internet connection, stick to your original login method, and keep the app updated before trying again. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more fixes for Mistplay and other reward apps.